Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Sean again, right here within the Stage of a Media video. This video is going to be pretty quick, simple, but yet informative. I'm answering the question, can you daily drive one of those, G35? The quickest answer, simplest answer is yes, you can. I mean, you can pretty much daily drive anything, really. I mean, if it's in your budget, gas-wise, and all that good stuff. You can daily drive anything. But if I'm asking more of a deeper question of, is it more easier on your pockets to drive specifically one of these? And I think, yeah, I mean, I think under anybody's pocket, you can drive a G35. I mean, the simplest things you really have to worry about when it comes to a G35 or a 350Z for that matter is making sure you check your oil, which is common practice for any car, really. Definitely check your oil because these things suck oil like shit. But you know, it's still not bad. I mean, yeah, they take 93 gas, or if you don't have 93, 91 or something like that, it definitely takes premium gas. You don't want to put anything else in there besides that because that's what it calls for premium gas. You know, you can definitely daily drive these cars. You know, if you keep up with the maintenancing, you keep up with you know, the minor things that you have to take care of, I think you can. Yeah, there are instances, probably more so than anything else, that when it comes to actually maintaining, let's say for instance getting a tune-up, you know, it takes specific stuff, right? It takes, you know, Hitachi brand OEM things, like let's say for instance ignition coils. Only Hitachi put in your car when you get these. Because you put anything else, you're gonna get some check engine light codes. So you're gonna, you know, it's certain things you have to put in, like spark plugs, NGK spark plugs are about, depending on where you get them from, between $8 to $12 or so each, and you need 6 of them. It's 6-cylinder. You know, those are the things you have to kind of look at when you really, you know, see yourself as a G35 owner. I don't know. I mean, it's just like I say. I see a lot of people that have had G35s, and for some reason, a lot of them either go to a Honda or, you know, an Accord, or, you know, something a little less, you know, something a little more easy on the pockets, right? And I'm like, well, why? Like, I mean, you know what I mean? Like, it's the car. It'll take care of you if you take care of it, like any car. Jesus Christ. You know, so what? You know, it depends on what you want. What are your pockets really saying to you if you can't afford a G35? I think they're the most simplest cars you can afford, to be honest with you. And this is not even a biased statement. Like, you can really take care of a G35. You know, to me, with a shoestring, you know, what they call in like film, you know, it's very easy, very simple to take care of. Just take care of your oil, take care of your, you know, the internals, and get the proper spark plugs. When your ignition coils goes out, fix those. Yeah, the more deeper part of that is they have a tendency to leak sometimes in the valve covers. So you got to change those. So those are like the little minor things that you have to kind of take care of when you talking about G35 maintenancing and all that stuff. I mean, but yes, the more simple answer, and this is, you know, I've been out of work, right? Like back in the day, like years ago, when I was, you know, when I first started doing like my gaming industry stuff, and I had this car, like I was out of work from that job for about a good 8 months, and I still had my G. I still was, at that time, I was still making payments and everything. Like, I was still able to do things without a job, you know what I mean? And still be able to get stuff taken care of. But yeah, it can be done. It can be done. If you get rid of this car, then you're just somebody who have gotten tired of the car, which me, honestly, I don't think I can get tired of it. I think these cars, if taken care of properly, it can be in the same vein of the legends. And this is something I'm gonna say, and people might get triggered by it. But I think it'll be in the same conversation, at least, as the NSXs, the Supras, the R34s, and the R32s, R33s. I think. That's just me. That's just me, because these are becoming more of a dying breed in terms of people actually doing things with them. Not a lot of people really doing major. I mean, you could say, yeah, there's scattered through Instagram and maybe even YouTube. There's people that got some dope ass G35s, but can you quantify that with like with a multiplication number? You know what I mean? Like, can you say, hey, yeah, it's across this area, it's so many G35s, and it's not. It's really not. Not a lot of people really putting in the work to really get them where they need to be, you know? But yeah, you know, I think, like I say, to answer your question, to any new buyer of a G35, you definitely can take care of this car. Any college student can take care of this car. You know, I wish I was in college with this kind of car. I didn't even had a car when I was in college, you know what I mean? So, you know, but it is what it is, you know what I mean? So I think you guys can do it. If you are watching this and you want to know if you can daily drive a G35. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is not gonna be a long one. Hope you guys took something from it. Hope it was informative for you. Let's give it a last little look to that joint. I'm actually, when you see this, you're gonna see why my door is open and the hood is up, because I'm actually doing 2 videos today in my garage. So I'm taking care of some things and I'm bringing some more content to you guys. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, as I always say, man, love each other, be grateful, try to stay happy. If you're going through it, it can only get better from there, all right? 1, stay driven.